we're never going to be the cheapest solar company that there is. If you are looking for just the cheapest solar system to save you money and you're not really worried about where the equipment comes from or how it operates, I would honestly say that we are not that company for you. We only install the best equipment that there is because we want this to last. You know, this is an investment that people make in their homes. That's probably one of the biggest investments other than their homes that they're going to make.
I have a home that's completely independent. You know, I have total home backup. I travel a lot for work, and I can leave home, and I don't have to worry about my wife and my kids being at home, you know, and what's on, what's off. There's a double factor, right? It's that peace of mind that I'm being a good steward for the environment, you know, for the world. I'm going to leave it a better place for them. But then there's also that personal thing of like, hey, I'm independent, you know, I have that freedom to sort of live my life. Think about energy in the same way you think about a bank account. You know everything that's coming in, you know everything that's going out, right? To the penny. But the way that we've historically treated energy and not really cared what was using what, you're not ever able to pinpoint that. Well, obviously if your water heater is working overtime or your pool pump or anything in your home is not working efficiently and you go and fix it, whether you have solar or not, you're able to reduce your energy consumption just by making those changes. And so that information is really important and sort of is part of our philosophy in helping people, you know, manage their energy consumption, and the technology that we offer really empowers them to do that. And you can either do it through, you know, the Enlighten app, or you can take it to a circuit by circuit level with a span panel. You're now informed. You know exactly how much energy your home is using, or how much each circuit's using if you go with the span, and you now have an informed. You have that information at your fingertips, whereby you can see how much. You're not just getting a bill and just paying it. And that education is really important, right? I truly believe that once people know how much energy they're using, they're going to adjust their behavior just from having that information at their fingertips. And that's obviously going to help, you know, their investment as well.